The Trojan UV4000 is the main firing interface board for a Trojan UV4000 system. This board is mounted in the paddle and is capable of controlling 12 individual Nedap UV ballasts. In addition to controlling the ballasts, this board also relays information back to the main system, such as bulb current and other measurements taken by the Nedaps. As shown in the video, after an initial test, we place the board in our UV4000 test system in order to perform a final and complete test. We run only 2 ballasts, but it allows us to fully verify the board. At ERD, we are experts in UV4000 system repair. From the operator interface all the way up to the UV bulb, we have it all covered. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.